Summit Sunrise. I am here with Steve. Good morning, Steve.
Always good to see you.
Always good to see you as well. Steve is with Main Street Outlet on Main Street in Breckenridge.
The one and only original.
The one and only original. No brag, just fact.
You got it. Good job.
Oh,
Good
thank
job.
you. I'm
Oh, you're
hired.
welcome.
But Steve, you guys always have the best deals in town for any and all of your hiking needs, your skiing needs, even casual wear.
You got it. You got it. We're going to save you a lot of money, but best of all, we're going to give you a quality product, and we're going to give you something you don't expect in an outlet store, which is a lot of guidance. So you're going to come in there, not just wander around, but we're actually going to help you dress properly, because as you said, our weather is kind of different right now.
It is.
You're not quite
Yep.
sure how to dress. So
You just always have to be prepared for everything.
everything.
Everything. All in one day.
Exactly. The morning could be one way. The afternoon definitely lately has
Yes.
been very rainy. So we have a ton of rain gear. Most of it's discounted. We're again going to save you a lot of money, but let's get into some of our neat
Yeah,
product.
let's. I'm excited about this first item here.
Yeah, a lot of people are
It's
unaware.
a shame it's not my size, otherwise I would just take it.
Yeah, but I bet we could help you. So come on down later.
Yeah.
One of the things we can really help you with right now is we've got a phenomenal amount of streetwear and just lounging wear and that type of thing. A company called Soybu that we've been working with this summer. We've been thrilled with them. They are very similar to a very large name that people are aware of, but the neat thing about Soybu is you rarely see it on sale, and we do have it on a nice discount right now, but most importantly, it's really good product. It is made from recycled polyester, made from bamboo, and a lot of it's made from even soy products.
It's really soft, too.
Really soft. Here's a lady's skirt. It's actually reversible.
How cool is that?
It's reversible to a solid white, or this great stripe product. It's very stretchy.
Yeah.
Again, it's made from a lot of recycled material. Unbelievably soft. Retails for around $38. We've got them now for 30% off, so you're going to get this for around 26 bucks.
What a great deal.
26 bucks.
it's super
Another
cute.
great product, a company that's been around for a long time, a Great Ladies Capri pant. It's a nylon, so it's wickable. It dries very quickly. This one retails for $45. Get this one for 31 bucks. Again, 30% off right now. We've got a choice of colors. And very lightweight.
Yeah, really lightweight. So
lightweight
if
and
you were wearing
comfortable.
this hiking and it rains, you'll dry off quickly.
More Soybu product. This again is like a yoga type
Yep.
stretch pant, or just wear around as a tight. Great product, retailing for, again, very stretchy.
Yeah,
Retails-
complimentary lines too.
You got it. Retailing for $45. Get this one at 30% off right now for around $36.
That's a good deal.
Actually, that's
you get to-
$31. I'm wrong.
Oh,
on that one.
$31.
$31.
Even better, guys.
I dropped the price right before you here.
Steve is just that good, you guys.
It's happening right before your eyes, guys. We're going to save you more money. Again, another Soybu product, very stretchy. Again, recycled product, but wicks moisture away,
The
keeps you nice
pattern
and
on
dry.
this is really cool too. I don't know if
Yeah.
you guys can see that.
Just to give you an example of a lot of different Soybu product, this again retails for this one around $50. We're going to get you this one for around $35. 35 bucks.
It's a good deal. Nice color too.
We just were lucky to get a lot of Royal Robbins products in, both men's and ladies.
Ooh, this
again,
feels nice.
Exactly. I wish you could reach through the
Yeah.
television set and feel
if someone
this.
was wearing this, I would just want to pet them.
Unbelievably comfortable, soft. It's UPF protection. It's going to protect you from the sun. It's a wickable type product again. Has metal buttons.
Yep.
So again, a very high-end product, retailing for around $50, but get this one for around $35.
It's a good deal.
And last but
The
not
look
least,
for less, I love it.
last but not least,
Oh.
we've got a lot of winter product left, and we're going to be anywhere from 50 to 70% off on our winter product. So
Now
here-
is a good time to be shopping.
Now is when you look for winter
Yep.
product, because we're going to save you money. Here's a great Helly Hansen piece. It's water resistant, certainly not a waterproof product, but feel it.
Yeah.
Again, we kind of call
It's
this
one of those
squirrel
things
fur.
that you want to pet.
Exactly. Squirrel fur has some great kind of hidden pockets.
Yeah.
Helly Hansen's been around for many, many,
It
many
feels
years.
it to be very warm too.
Very warm. Retailing for $100. We've got this one at 60% off.
Wow.
40 bucks.
Oh my gosh, you don't even need to think about that. You can
$40.
slam
So-
the money, just slam the money down. I want this.
So just a sampling of what we have right now to give you an idea. Again, we have a lot of winter product. We have shoes. We have hiking shoes. We have walking around shoes. I mean, you name
You
it.
have
for around
everything.
town. We got it all. We're
have
going to save you money on about 90% of it.
Well, that's a really, really good deal. And it's so great too, like we were saying around here, the weather, it changes so much, and you really need to be aware of what's going on with the weather, and
You got
need
it.
to have everything that you can in your backpack or in your car to be prepared for these kinds of, all these crazy elements that we have here.
And hydrate, people. It's very important. You're going out on a hike. You better have some UPF protection, protection
Absolutely.
from the sun. Wear a hat. Again, have some rain gear because the weather can change on you.
And it does.
It can be very cold if you're hiking up in the mountains. But the other thing is, I'm going to make this more interesting.
Oh, good.
Guys, we are, by the way, right next to the Welcome Center in Breckenridge. We're at 211 South Main. We had moved, for those of you that hadn't been here in a couple years. We are next to the Breckenridge Welcome Center, and again, I'm going to make it more interesting.
Okay, what's next?
Guys, let us know you saw us here on TV8. But let us know you saw us on TV8. Most important, spend all of $10, and everybody does that when they walk in. And you're going to get a free Breckenridge baseball cap, but you must let us know you saw us on TV8.
Okay, you guys got that? That's pretty easy. That's pretty easy. You just have to say that you saw Steve and Main Street Outlet on TV8 and spend $10 and you get a Breckenridge baseball hat. That's a pretty good deal.
And we are at 211 South Main, right next to the Breckenridge Welcome Center. We are the one and only original Main Street Outlet. We're the place where your dollar now goes even further.
further.
It's no brag.
Just fact.
It's a fact. You got it, Justine.
Well, Steve, thank you so much.
Always a
And
pleasure.
Guys, do make sure that you check out Main Street Outlet with Steve here. The deals are fantastic, and he has some really cute stuff. I feel like I need to go shopping. It's burning a hole in my pocket. They're all so cute.
God, I love when she says that. Come by and see us later.
Awesome. Well, Steve, thank you so much for coming to Summit
Thank you.
Sunrise this morning, and we'll be back with more Summit Sunrise right after this.